up everyone, it's your girl Bea and today we're going pink. Let's do this.
Hey everyone, starting off with priming my skin, and I'm using Unicorn Essence and primer from Farsáli. I'm applying It Cosmetics CC cream here and blend that in real nice. For my brows, I'm going in with my favorite Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in the shade dark brown. Taking a little bit of that CC cream again, I'm cleaning up my brows. And I'm setting that with some Huda Beauty loose setting powder. Next, I'm gonna pick up this pink cream color from Anastasia lip palette, and I'm just drawing like a triangle, but not all the way. Then I'm filling that in with the shade Savage from Urban Decay Wired palette. Taking that CC cream again, I'm going to clean up my under eyes a little bit. Using my Cover Fix Cover Click, I'm going to contour my cheekbones, jawline, and nose. Using Huda Beauty loose setting powder, I'm gonna set this face, and with the same brush, I'm just gonna blend everything all together. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna use the same product but on a smaller brush just so I can get around this pink line easily. So I'm gonna go a little overboard with my blush because at this point I wanted white freckles, so that's what we're doing. Taking the same white cream color, I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash line and also the inner triangle area of my eye. I'm using Huda Beauty's lip liner in the shade Trophy Wife and Anastasia's liquid lipstick in Potion. Finishing off this look with some lashes and highlighter.
That's it. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.